I personally don't like dealing with birds that are huge and are called double yellow-headed Amazon. You got two heads or something? Go ahead. Stick your finger out. Feel free. Yeah, little girl, big bird.
Oh.
Yeah, come on, stick your finger. Yeah. Try to crap on you.
Oh, I'm scared.
You should be scared. I'm scared.
What's in this one?
I don't want to find out.
Whoa, this is huge.
This is like the grandfather bird.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, it's on sale for $1,500.
It's sold.
You want? Oh, it's sold?
I'm running
No,
out.
it's $1,500. This is like the pink lemonade bird.
Oh yeah, I like that.
You know, if I was a bird, I'd be pretty scared of seeing your arm. You look like a black, like demon. Ready? Here, let's go. Oh shit.